Patreon.com/shadesandtrades if you want to join the private Discord for trade alerts. Cool, thanks man. I made over 50%. I'm really excited. Advice on when to buy and sell makes the difference of thousands of dollars. So again, Patreon.com/shadesandtrades for trade alerts. Ladies and gentlemen, let us talk about the white line crossing the yellow line. So when the white line crosses the yellow line on the MACD, that is a bullish signal. That means we're going to skyrocket for months and months and months. You guys don't believe me, but I'm about to show you here on NVIDIA. Right? This is the power of the MACD when used appropriately. I don't know what my cat just did to my V. My V button just stopped working. It just doesn't exist anymore. I keep pressing it and it's not working. Let me look at him. He's just laying there looking at me. He's being a good boy now, not stepping all over my keyboard. So, you look at the MACD down here, MACD. For those of you who use Moomoo, you go to indicators MACD, and you grab this one, MACD low mes, and you go to settings, 12, 26, and 4. You can change it to white, change the DEA to yellow, and uncheck that, and there you go. You have the exact same setup in terms of the MACD. And then we look at the monthly time frame, right? Switch over to the monthly time frame down here. And what happens every single time we get that white line crossing the yellow line, right? What happens? Let me zoom in for you guys, right? We're not geniuses here. We're just doing what's obvious. What happens? We just keep going on month after month after month. What happens here? We just keep going month after month. Well, here we are again. We have yet another signal, and that signal happened this month. It happened recently. You can see the white line cross the yellow line. Nice big green candle. NVIDIA getting ready to go to even higher highs here. Finally breaking out of that range that lasted over almost a year. And there's the cat again. He's like, well, I want your attention, so I'm just going to step all over everything. But hopefully this is still recording. So that white line crossing the yellow line, super bullish, means we're going to have about 4 months of green, right? We're just going to keep going up month after month after month. This is when you want to be greedy. This is when you really want to start buying like crazy and just go absolutely bonkers on calls with time behind them. Too many people, they get greedy, so greedy they start buying like short-term dated calls. I'm talking they buy like 1 day expiration, 3 day expiration, 7 day expiration, because they're trying to score that big 100% every day. Screw all that. Guys, the easiest thing you can do after watching this video is go to your favorite stock. Has it gotten that signal, right? Has it gotten that white line crossing over the yellow line, right? Oops. The cat is just stepping on, he is really just not having it today. Today, he's like, no, you are going to sit here and you're going to take it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Take care, guys. Crossing, I take my chance. Risk is managed, I let it dance. If it breaks below, I cut it clean. No room for hope, I trade like a machine.